Hello everyone, welcome back to BrainKey. BrainKey presents How to Lose Weight by Eating Healthy Foods. Number 1. Green foods. The first item you need to incorporate in your diet are green leafy vegetables. They are super healthy and have less than half the calories compared to other vegetables. 1 full cup of spinach has only 15 calories, so if you add this to your eating habit, you're going to lose a lot of weight. But how are you going to add this to your meals? Simple. Just have your normal lunch but reduce the size by at least 40%, and instead of that, you will have a full cup of green leafy vegetables. You will surely notice a difference. Number 2. Fruit salad. The second best thing you must do to lose your weight is to add a lot of fruits. Some people complain that they don't like eating the same kind of fruit every day. But who says you need to do that all the time? Add some color and fun to your plate by having a good and healthy bowl full of fruits. Take oranges, grapes, strawberries, one banana, and pineapple and chop them up. Add pepper for taste and stir a bit. This will help the pepper to spread and make your salad an edible and lovely dish you can have as an evening snack. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is the best kind of food you can have, especially when you're trying to lose weight. They contain 0 calories and are a great way to boost metabolism. This drink shall help in flushing out all the toxins from your body, hence helping you to get clear, healthy skin. You will also melt a lot of fat and lose more pounds if you have 3 to 4 cups every day. Number 4. Nuts. A great way to lose some weight and kill the craving at odd times of the day is by adding nuts to your diet regime. A handful of almonds, peanuts, or walnuts are all you need to give yourself some strength and the will to work out harder throughout the day. Nuts have been advised by several doctors and experts, and not only they are known as a promoter of weight loss, but also as a helper to those who have Blackberry's memory. So, if you would like to sharpen your brain and shed some pounds, consider nuts as a part of your daily eating. Number 5. Eggs. A protein-rich breakfast is all you need to stay down away from unwanted cravings throughout the day. But how are you going to get a meal like this? Simple. Add eggs to your diet. They are super healthy and a great way to start your day. All you will need to do is have it in the form of poach, along some brown bread, toast, and juice. Or if you would like to be a little creative, make a healthy omelette using tomatoes, onions, and capsicum. This is so much better than having donuts, noodles, pizzas, or soda. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to BrainKey. Follow us in social media.